Sandeep Gupta from Solunaris Pvt Limited. I am handling the global market for digital textile printing inks. Solunaris is a group company of JAG Chemicals. We are manufacturing the digital textile printing inks for reactive and sublimation. We believe in giving the solutions rather than supplying the products. It's almost 12 years we are into this manufacturing of inks for various printheads like Quisera, Konica Minolta, Epson, Ricoh, Psycho. Our inks are designed in Germany and the products comply all the ecological norms like GOTS and ZDSC L3. So ecologically we are quite conscious. Our plants are working on ZLDs, means zero level discharge. We had a very good story in Bangladesh. We entered in this market in last 12 months. We had captured a couple of accounts purely on the basis of support and structure. Our team is quite capable to handle the various vital elements of the digital. Like they are quite strong into the software part, hardware part, chemistry and the profiling, which was, I believe, lacking into this country, and that's the reason we were able to differentiate ourselves from the other competitions and get a good significant business till date, and in future we expect a significant growth from this market. Right now what I can see a big challenge is a gas, because escalating the prices by 2.5 times, but the pressure is not there, so that they cannot achieve the right required temperature in the steaming. So we took it as a challenge and we have started our research and development on this topic, how we can try to conserve the energy at a low temperature and make the output similar by achieving the less steaming temperature, and which I think can contribute majorly into this market. Solunaris is, as I said, is focusing on the support structure. Every month our technical team members are coming here into this country to understand the concerns and the bottleneck of this industry and trying to give them full technical support, from the profiling, from the chemical treatment, post-treatment, so that the customer should get better differentiated results till what right now they were achieving it. So our motto is like, in the future also we'll keep on continuing the visits of our technical expertise, so that they can contribute, collaborating with the customer, and can give some edge in all the aspects. It can be in terms of how we can improve the printed life, how we can reduce the ink consumption, so that it can also reduce the effluent load on the plant, which in reverse can also give the good fastness properties to the textiles. So this is the way we are trying to get into this market. I think technical support is a vital, which is utmost required into this country, and which I feel was a very big vacuum till date. And we are trying all possible ways how we can try to bridge that gap and support the industry. Almost 30% of our market share in India, and that was purely developed on the foundation of as a support service provider. And we have existence in whole part of Europe like Sweden, Italy, Spain, China, Turkey, and the next Bangladesh, where we want to apply the same approach and to get hands in hands with the customer to understand the sorrows and give them the solutions. See, basically what I feel like the industry grows with a complement knowledge. We have experience of 6 decades, 60 years for the chemistry part, and I honor the experience of the machine manufacturer. They have very strong knowledge about the hardware. So if we club this knowledge, I hope that we can try to differentiate against the competition, those who are entering into this market, those who are also selling the machines. I expect the Bangladesh is growing with a fast pace because of various advantages what this country is getting from the European Union. For Solunaris, I see a bright future. In next 2 years, we are quite confident that we can get a substantial share from the market. That was our prime focus, how to support the customer from the logistic point of view. We have our local representative here in India, in Bangladesh, Interlink, which is represented by Mr. Masoom, the MD of the company. We are keeping our stocks locally in Bangladesh so that if buffer support is required, that can be taken care of by that local company.